everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be shopping at HomeGoods. I hope you guys enjoy. Athena, can I see your bag?
Well, look at the truck down here. Look at this one. Oh, look at this truck. This one. You like those trucks, Leo?
Over there, another really pretty mirror. And up there as well. Oh my god, they have so many good things up here. And up there as well. Whoa, let me see your truck. Wow, cool truck. Mine. Athena. That is so cool. How much is it? $250. That's a little pricey. It's a cool birthday gift. Yeah, that is cool. For like your little office. It's $175. It's still kind of pricey, but it's pretty cool. I think my husband would enjoy this. Wow, I have never seen so many doorknobs all together, all sparkly like that. Look at this huge one. $9.99. Medium, $16.99. And the smaller one is $16.99 as well. Oh, look at those gold ones. Very pretty. For $9.99. And over here is Knob Heaven. Wow, they're so cute. Oh, this reminds me of my friend Julie. She loves black and white decor. And the price for that is, let's find out. The price for that is $19.99. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's only $24.99. I love birdies. There I am. Oh, look at that tray. Wow, this is beautiful. Everything from this table, it's from India. So pretty. And more India. Wow. Those elephants look so nice. $24.99. $24, $29. Oh my god, the eyes look so real. Very pretty. They moved everything around. All over here, it used to be the area for all the dishware, dining ware. I hope I'm saying it right. But it looks like now is just a bunch of accent pieces. Wow, this is beautiful. They're made out of glass or porcelain. There you go. They are stunning. And the price for it is $29. Totally my style. That is a huge leaf. I think I have seen people from the home decor community have that. I want to say it's probably 30 bucks. Let me double check. $130. Wow, but it's beautiful. They have so much unicorn stuff. I have that for Athena. Super cute. Oh my goodness, these canvases are so beautiful. Oh my god, they have so many cute canvases. This is so pretty for a nursery, boy or girl. Oh, I love it. This is perfect for like a jewelry holder where you can put your necklaces. Very pretty for only $29. Check it out. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful for only $20. I am digging this for my coffee table. I haven't showed you guys, but I got a new coffee table for my birthday. And this would be so pretty on it. How cute is this mat for your kitchen? It is only $20. And over here, which one do you prefer? Comment down below. I'm looking for a sign for my kitchen. I've been wanting to do a Decorative with me, but I cannot find it, so we're looking. I can't get over how pretty those are. Hi, how are you? Oh, this mirror is gorgeous. And look at the price, $4.99. That was my initial choice for my living room, but I didn't find it. I do want to get it for my makeup room, definitely. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you guys on my next video. Bye.